When I'm working with mortgages, I have to find out where they're at, what they're looking to do, and how I can find and set up a plan for them.
Frank Blakeley has been working in the mortgage industry for nearly a decade. He's seen the best and worst of times.
Today's world's totally different than it was a couple years ago.
Loans are more difficult to get, and there is more consumer protection.
If I give you a good faith estimate, you have to be within an eighth of a percent when we finish the loan, as when I initially handed out that good faith estimate, unless there's extenuating circumstances like a value doesn't come in or your credit score changes midway through. The consumer's protected.
Trustworthiness, knowledge, and experience are what make Frank Blakeley a valuable mortgage broker.
I worked with several mortgage brokers before I finally discovered Frank, who taught me more in the 3 months we worked together than in the year that we'd been looking for a house and I'd been dealing with other mortgage brokers beforehand.
He's straightforward. When I called him, he called me right back. He provided education. I learned a lot about the process. That's what you're looking for: integrity, honesty, follow-up, and then, of course, the best rate.
Frank's mission is to not only work diligently to get loans approved, but also to educate his clients and teach them exactly what they need to do to qualify for the best loan.
Typically what we try to do is within the first 48 hours, for somebody that could be more challenging, really let them know either yes, they qualify, or no, but this is what we need to do to get you qualified. So everything has a set plan to move forward.
When I walked into this home with my wife, I wanted to immediately leave because I thought this is exactly the house we want, and there is no way in the world we can afford it.
American Capital itself is a direct lender that's been around since 1995. Our branch is here in Aliso Viejo. They have a lot of options that a consumer needs. Not everybody fits in a little box. So we have a platform that is set up to meet a big range of clientele base. For instance, we have 12 different investors that we work with just in our bank and our direct lending side. Well, I have to know which one of those 12 meets the client's needs, because even though one may have better pricing, if they can't fund their loan, it doesn't mean anything. It's not just about the lowest cost and lowest price, because anybody can quote that, but can they follow through with it?
What most impressed me was he got me the loan. I wanted the house. He was the only one we talked to who said, I can get you the loan, and got us the loan.
And his can-do attitude is what I remember the best.
Thank you, and I appreciate you for coming by my website. Your next step is to go to the Apply Now button on this website, and I'll get your information instantly, or give me a call and we can have a great discussion about what you're looking for.